We talk. That was the best one yet.
Goes to defensive tip. Handle everybody as their shooters. Make sure that we are on help side. We're not trying to overextend ourselves. Our goal today is 1 less turnover, so we're at 7 or less. 7 or less.
How many did we get last time?
8. And your offensive fouls count as turnovers, by the way. So defensive tip, Christy, Issa, Soph, Tamia, and Mac. Don't gamble on stuff. Play good position defense. We have another goal today also, 80% defensive rebounding percentage. So we can't give up offensive rebounding.
Let's go, defense on 3. 1, 2, 3. Defense.
One, Aline Ballard. Isella Arenas for 2. Three-pointer, Christina Reynoso. Randolph for 2.
Whoever's guarding number 23 or the girl with the glasses, whatever, you have to keep her in front. She's going by every single one of us. So we have to be in high catch, ready to help. Do not reach when you guys help. We've limited them to rebounding. We're getting every rebound. And then we got to run down the floor. Make clean decisions and get good shots. We're going, guys.
Energy on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Energy.
One thing I...
Madison Holden. Tamia Murphy.
advance to the nest. That's the ball should go. Matt should run, get to the nest, we advance it. You guys look for your shot, you look for a return on the Raven, and we should basically be in a triangle to get her the ball inside until they decide that they're going to stop her. Okay?
Let's go, y'all. Energy on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Energy! And one goes this way, and we can't even get into it after you had 7 seconds between them calling something, us taking the ball out of bounds, us delaying taking the ball out of bounds, getting to the spot, and 3 people were in the wrong spot. 3 of you were in the wrong spot. In the most simple play we have.
Screw your heads on. Get it together, y'all.
First group's in.
Let's play smart on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Play smart.
Come on, ladies.
Other side, here we go.